Okay guys, I'm here with me, Luke, from Carolina Bassin, here with Mark, trying to do some river fishing for some smallmouth and some largemouth, but I ain't really sure where to go. We're supposed to be meeting somebody else. We're on the way to meet him right now, but hopefully gonna get a good video for you, catch some smallmouth and some largemouth. Banger. Right down there is where we're fishing at. Poisonous snakes on property. Is these steps? Them are definitely not steps. Is this a trail? And that looks like there's a trail right through there. You think?
He said find the dam.
There's the dam right there.
Okay. He said walk down this. I'm guessing this is the trail.
Okay.
I guess. Somebody talking, man. Smallmouth too. I ain't talking.
I'm just gonna try and be quiet because I don't want to get in. There's the trail. What do you think that is?
Okay,
Got one. Please tell me that's a smallmouth.
A little larger.
Yeah, that's a largie. Dadgummit.
He's about a pound, 15 ounces.
I caught a largie right here, boys, on a old rooster tail. Dawson's got one. We doubled up. If I can get this rooster tail out of his mouth.
Got your GoPro going?
Yeah. Making a YouTube video.
Hey, yours is
Ours is.
yours is the little brother.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I guess little.
Goodness gracious.
I'll take this thing now. Wow.
If I can get this hook out of his mouth. There he went.
Something just bounced off that.
You trying to start a YouTube video?
And keep moving. Okay, guys, Mark caught him a little bluegill. That's a red eye.
That's a rock bass.
That's a red eye. Here we go. He's gonna get a release. Goodness gracious. Caught 3 fish, 1 largie or 2 largies, and
Some dick.
just caught me a little largie. Hey, it's not. We got a little water moccasin
Yeah.
about to die. Here, I'll get it up on it. I'll get the camera up on it. Just release that fish. That's my second largemouth.
Rub here and look at it.
I ain't trying to get bit.
Look at it.
I don't know if y'all can see it. That's a pretty deadly snake. I ain't gonna lie.
There
I
are
ain't getting
poisonous
close.
snakes on this property.
Yeah.
That's the dang truth. Ooh. I
Oh,
sunk him in the mud, bro.
you sunk him in the mud. You sunk him way in there.
Let's hope he stays in there.
Let's hope you don't come back out. 'Cause
Gosh, dang.
he stabbed it down on him and he missed, and that thing reared back in striking position.
That's about deadlier than a 3-footer.
Go. Oh!
Oh!
Did you see that?
I seen him too. He was a good one.
I might switch my crank.
That thing.
Oh, dang. We got a little friend. Oh, baby water moccasin.
Really?
Yeah.
Kill it.
I don't know if he's alive or not. Oh! Y'all got anything on?
Got him.
Oh, there you go.
You ain't flopping away, you retard.
That's a decent little larger. You make any challenges?
Got one.
Another larger.
Largie machine. Catching them like crazy. I've caught 3 and been here about 15. He's got all 3 trebles in him. Looky there.
We caught 5 in all.
He's got all 3. We've caught 5 in about 15 minutes of fishing, you think?
Probably.
Yeah, probably about 15 minutes worth of fishing. Don't
Depends
you-
on how long it come down here. Like me and my dad, he took me down here on my birthday. Back in August, beginning of August.
This thing better not flop or I'm going to have a hook in me.
We caught about 30 each, and we walked from our house.
30 each? Ow, you son of a...
We're probably out here about 5 hours.
This dude's crazy.
Yeah.
Can you try it? Never mind, I got it. Okay, guys, I just got me another bass, another largie. That is 3 for me. Dawson's caught 1 and get a release on this old dude. There he goes.
I'm pretty stopped back there.
I ain't gonna hurt myself. I'd say lunkers.
There's over here on this side. There's big old square things to let the water out when the water gets high, and I think he's closed them to let this other side build up with water.
Yeah, he said the water's dropped probably a good couple feet. If you can't tell, this is where he usually fishes, is over here. Right over there, but all it's real shallow and it's moving real fast.
All this right here used to be water. We couldn't stand right here because the water was here. But now it's sand.
Some of it's sink mud, so
Yeah.
I'm just trying not to die. Okay, guys, I gotta walk back across that daggum river with a GoPro that is not waterproof. So my goal, not to fall in. Already made it across safely. I ain't got it on my chest just in case I do fall in. I got it up, holding it pretty high. Let's go, Mark. Oh my gosh, I just got down to my knee. Yeah. Careful, Mark.
The water gets back high.
Ugh. All that crap right there is sinking. I told you. I told you that crap right there is.
What weight class you wrestled, Mark?
132 last year.
Okay, guys.
Gosh, dang, I'm sinking there,
He's
boys.
sinking.
I'm in it. I'm in it good. Here, I see it again.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, old step right there. Gosh, dang. Oh, it smells like
Oh my.
God.
Ah,
Oh,
that's that daggum mud.
I got stuff
Yeah.
all in my boot, man. Gosh, dang.
They both sunk in. I was fortunate enough not to.
I got up shorts and everything.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off till we get to the next spot, and then I'll put y'all guys back on. Okay, guys, I just caught this little red eye, rock bass, whatever you want to call them. I ain't caught one of these things in a while, but
Yeah, they bite pretty decent.
he's pretty.
There's one. There's one.
Dawson's hooked up. It's a nice fish. What is it?
Another rock bass.
Another rock bass.
I'll give y'all.
We doubled up. Let's get a double release, Dawson. Hold on.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Oosh.
How'd you say
Okay,
you
guys.
edited your video?
We've fished 2 spots. One over there on the other side of the river. One down there in the woods. I've caught 4 largemouth and 1 rock bass. Dawson's caught. How many you caught?
2 largemouth and a rock bass.
How many you caught, Mark?
2 rock bass.
He's caught 2 rock bass. We're gonna cross the river again. We're gonna walk up them rocks way over there, and then we're gonna fish on top of the dam on the top side, try and catch some smallmouth.
There you go. Is that a spot? Is that a spot? There you go.
I think it is a spot, isn't it?
Heck yeah, it looks like a spot.
Looks like a spot to me. Yeah, that's good.
That might be a new species in the river. Yep, that's a spot. That's a nice one too, man. There you go. You got him on a little spot.
Have to get the hook out. He's hooked down in there in the tongue. I'll show him how he ate that.
Oh,
He ate
yeah,
that
he
thing
ate
real
it.
good.
let me see. Here, hold your camera.
Yeah, it is a spot.
Sometimes if you can grab his tail right here at the very back, you can wiggle it out. Sometimes you have to rip it.
He ate it pretty good too.
There we go. Oh,
He choked it.
there we go.
First spot I've ever caught, actually.
Really?
Yeah, first spot. Nice fish. Let's get a release on him. real close. Get a slow motion. Whoa! Press that top button.
Huh? Water out of there?
Yeah.
Good.
Wait. Is that supposed to be covered by water up there?
What?
That.
I'll see it when I get up here.
Mark, can you grab these rods, please?
No, okay.
I don't know if I can get down there,
My feet are sliding. I can't do nothing holding these rods.
God, Jesus, man. Look, grease on the moss.
Here.
Slick socks on this moss.
It ain't too hot.
Okay, guys, we are currently climbing this crap.
You can see how high it's been there.
Getting to the top to.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fish it.
If there's water, we can fish it.
Yeah. Well, hey, you might be able to fish off this bank right here.
I can't catch that.
Oh, God. Mark, grab my hand, please. Forgot my toes. Only think my left toe. I ain't playing either.
Grab my foot.
I can't. I can't move. My left toes holding me on.
Gosh, dang. Here, grab this one.
He scratched the GoPro.
Gosh, dang.
Live or dead, just try and catch a freaking smallmouth. Thank God I got Mark Smith with me.
Yeah, that's the truth. You
Oh,
would've carried me down there with you.
here we go. Okay. Oh, and I had Mark with me, I just died. Okay, guys, we just climbed up that crap.
I didn't even know they sold little micros yet.
Where's that water usually up to down? Okay, guys, we're leaving the river. It's fun. Caught 4 largemouth, 1 spotted bass, and a rock bass. How many did you catch, Dawson?
I got 3.
He caught 3 fish. Mark caught 2 or 3. We had a good day. Hope y'all enjoy the video.